Matthews, Mokoena, Modiba, Rebeiro, Benzema! And the drought is over. 7 games in all competitions without a goal for Lucas Rebeiro. But he puts it into the barren run in some style.
The quality was there that he is. I mean, the angle was probably too tight and way too far. But once it opened up for him, and like an inverted winger, you have a chance to ping that ball into the far post, get a little bit of a curl to it. And just that lack of pressure from the defending side leaves the goalkeeper wide open on his far post. He's a star player.
Yo.
Excellently done. Sometimes I wonder why the coach keeps him that long, because he knows that he can produce this kind of quality. Wow, quality.
He uses Pineka, bends it around him.